Okay, this is it. Steve Kaplan, QuickBooks Video 7, closing the sales and cost of goods sold accounts to income summary. Number 1, this was where we got the error message last time. Number 2, it should work. Here, I'll put that in blue because that's good news. It should work if you create your own cost of goods sold. In other words, we were using the cost of goods sold account that the computer automatically created when you activated inventory. When you activated inventory in the preferences window. However, you can create your own cost of goods sold account and then the closing should work. Now, mind you, if you still get an error message and you still can't make the entry I'm about to demonstrate, please take a screenshot, which means it's a picture of the screen, and in a Windows computer you would push the print screen button, then open up any picture program and paste it in. I'm not exactly sure if that would work on the Mac, if you can take a screenshot of the Mac. And as I said, if you don't know how to do that, I'll try to talk you through it. But then you'd email me the error message as a picture. Now you may well notice the respective balances of rock sales and scissor sales. They are going to be closed to income summary at the end of the month. You may notice the balance in cost of rock sold and cost of scissor sold. They are also going to be closed to income summary without a problem. So, company make journal entry. Okay, now I'm going to move the trial balance to my left so I can read the numbers. Notice the closing happens at the end of the month. The first account I'll choose is rock sales in the income section. Rock sales had a credit balance, so we need to debit that account in order to make it go down to 0. Okay. Scissor sales also. Scissor sales had a credit balance of $1,300, so we want to make a debit to wipe that out. And of course, the balancing entry, when you close it out, goes to our new friend, income summary. Very good. Now we're going to do the same thing with the cost of goods sold. Cost of scissors sold. Down here in the cost of goods sold section, cost of scissors sold, the balance from the trial balance says a debit of $260. We have to make a credit to wipe it out and have it become 0. Okay? The cost of rock sold, I'm reading from the trial balance. Cost of rock sold has a debit balance of $550, so we make a credit balance to wipe it out. And total cost of goods sold gets closed to income summary. So again, the sales accounts have a credit balance, debit them to wipe it out. The balancing entry goes to income summary. The cost of goods sold accounts, the ones you're going to create yourself, not the ones from the computer, the ones you're going to create yourself, have debit balances, so we need to credit them to wipe it out and balance it to income summary. After we save, I'm going to bring the trial balance back here. After we save, these numbers should be 0, and income summary should show up for the total gross, the amount of the total gross profit of both products. Save and close. It worked. It worked. Notice, okay, all of the sales and cost of goods sold accounts have become 0, and income summary is showing the profit. The total profit from both products is in income summary, waiting to be distributed to the equity investment capital accounts of the two partners, exactly as it was demonstrated in previous